Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday, when I do a throwback of one low-budget idea every Thursday. You will need 6 wooden seasonal signs that you can get at the Dollar Tree. First, attach 3 using hot glue and E6000. Use a binder clip to hold them together until they dry. Do the same thing with the second group of 3 seasonal signs. Wait at least a couple of hours for them to dry up, and then remove the binder clips. Then apply hot glue and E6000 combination again and attach them onto the plastic cutting board that you can also find at the Dollar Tree. Make sure that you space them well so that you have enough clearance of whatever you plan to put in each tier. Then repeat the same process onto the other side by applying hot glue as well as E6000 and connect again to the second plastic cutting board you can get from the Dollar Tree. Let it dry again for another couple of hours, or overnight would be preferable. You can put something heavy on the side here so that it will also dry faster. Paint the wooden signs with the color of your choice. I chose white so that it matches the cutting board. Let it dry for another couple of hours. I got this wooden rolling pin also from the Dollar Tree. I cut out some pieces of round cardboards and attach them to each end, and then I apply E6000. I put the cardboard so that it will fit snugly. Apply hot glue around the perimeter of the hole from the handle of the cutting board. And then I painted this charcoal gray. I also applied Mod Podge onto the sides of each of the cutting board, and I used this buffalo checks gift wrapping paper. I used nautical ropes to camouflage the gap that was created by the cardboard, and I also created like a button-shaped design to cover the holes of the cutting boards. 18 pieces of coffee pods can fit into each tier, so a total of 36 coffee pods altogether. This looks really nice next to a single cup coffee pod dispenser. And you can also mix and match. If you are a tea lover, you can also use this to hold or store, organize your tea bags. And not only that, you can use this for hot cocoa mixes as well. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this format. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. I'll see you next week for another Thrifty Thursday. God bless. Bye.